longer, truth.
Honey, you're enjoying it.
I'm really doing that, my dear.
Honey?
Yeah, baby.
I feel like making love to you now.
Yeah. I know how you feel. But the doctor advised that you should not do it for now. Until I'm very, very okay. Yeah. I thank God for granting me safe CS.
Yes, likewise me. In fact, I've never found myself as happy as I was 2 months ago when you put to bed to our first very bouncing baby boy, Chinego. When you made me proud. You know you like giving it to me. But don't worry, very soon you do it the way you normally do it. Nevertheless, have this. Go out there and make yourself happy. Yes. Wait, are you serious? Baby, you know I'm not a jealous lover. I'm not a jealous type. What for? You should go inside and dress up. Go out there and make yourself. So I should go and wear my clothes? Go and dress up. Just go in, baby. Just go in. Dress up. So I should go in and dress up? Go in and dress up for me. Hey! Wonderful. Best of it. You should go and enjoy yourself now. How can I be stabbing you in here just for nothing? Go and enjoy yourself, my dear. Sweetheart. So, how do I look? Fantastic, baby. You look so. I'm okay. Yeah. Wow. Sweetheart. Do you want me to go and do this thing? What are you asking me? I say you should go and enjoy yourself. What? If I don't want you to go, I won't tell you. So you go. Flex it. Baby, go now. Look for a sweet girl, not just anyhow girl. Bye. So I'll kill you. Sweet girl, I say, sweet girl. That's my baby. Look for me too, I know. Wow, that's my baby. Welcome. Yeah. Back. My dear, you're back already. Yeah. I hope you were treated nicely. Very okay. Lovely, I love that. Where did you go to? Just at Mama Stella's place, our level. Mama Stella? Yes. Did she collect money from you? Yes, now I gave her 5,000. What? And she collected? For what now? Wait, you didn't give her money? I said I gave her 5,000 naira. What nonsense! I will not take that too. But when she delivered her first child, I was the one dealing with her husband free of charge. She was supposed to give me that money. No. Honey, I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Mama Stella! Mama Stella! Mama Stella! But she was doing it with him free of charge. My own wife. Hey! Come on, she be fine. Let me see how bad this house will be.